So, if we talk about students, they don't know what will be their rights and duties in an organization. So, what they have to do particularly, so they don't know, they don't have any information, knowledge about that. What will be their rights and duties? So, I would like to, answer this to all the students out here.
Okay, so whatever rules are applicable for a full-time job employee, same thing is applicable to an internship. Okay.
Okay.
So what could be those full-time job things, right? Coming at a right time, logging in, logging out at the right time. Okay.
Exactly.
And performing the allotted task in a right way, those kind of things. And working with the supervisor closely to understand the projects, requirement gathering, all
Mm.
that. And there should be proper expectation setting between the intern and the supervisor so that they understand the outcome of a particular assignment or a project. There should not
Yes,
be
sir.
any lag in communication, because in most of the organization, communication is a problem where I say something and the employee executes something different.
Exactly.
Okay, which leads to a lot of confusion and chaos, and nothing is happening over a period of time. Where that is also needs to be implemented during the internship process, that you communicate very well and understand the expectation of the supervisor on what is he expecting out of a project or a senior. Okay, so that understanding should be there. And notice, communication of notice in terms of payment, or in terms of what you call terminating the internship, all that you have to be very cautious on. When I'm starting, when I'm ending, what is my duties, responsibilities, everything. There should be a notification period or notice period to understand and prepare for that. Okay, it should not be like hiring and firing. Things should not be there. Okay, those are the
Okay.
rights you can ask to the potential employer where you are joining in an organization, so that you can push it. But it is not highly recommended going to an organization and ask this rights and then join. Okay, you have to do your preparatory work before itself, so that you know what you are planning to do, what is your goals towards that. Okay, so every internship is not meant for a paid or stipend, all that related to that. Okay, that is not the
Yes.
only criteria. Okay, so as I said earlier, networking, the best networking, what I can get, the best learning, what I can get. Okay, if I put this company in my resume, how much impact I will get. Okay,
Exactly.
what learning or benefit I will get from this company. Those are the consideration intern has to think before joining a company, so that this part can be understood and you have a goal to achieve during the entire internship, rather than stipend and talking about payment and other stuff. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/GSKumar.